Oh hey, didn't see you there. I was too busy playing games very epically. What's that? You want to hear about the chain of infection? Great news, because I've been studying this for meds class. I got a lot to tell you. Hey, you probably wondering what a chain of infection even is, right? The chain of infection is this repeating cycle that's the cause of why we all get sick, and how these pathogens and germs get to one person to another. And oh, friend, let me tell you, today I'm gonna show you how you can deal with those dirty germs and pathogens by breaking those chains of infections. It's gonna be wonderful. Starting off with our very first chain of infection is the germs and pathogens themselves. A simple way of dealing with this is get routine doctor checkups, get proper medical care, and use the right cleaning method to deal with the pathogen you might be worried about. Boom, that's one chain broken. Number two. What's number two? The reservoir. That's where these little germs, these little nasties, this is where they hide. This is where they reproduce. Ew, gross, sex. This is where they thrive. This can be your desk, like the one I'm sitting at, my keyboard, my phone, a doorknob, the dirt, us, your friends, the family cat. It's a dirty world. To break this chain, just clean your house. If your dog came in after rolling around in a pile of dirt, clean him, because he's probably dirty. Change bed sets, change your clothes daily, have showers. It's pretty self-explanatory. One thing, and if you take anything away from this video at all, let it be this. Clean your damn phone. Me being a 17-year-old teenager, I use my phone a lot. Let's say you're using a bathroom. Whip out your phone. You just touched a bathroom stall. Gross! Ew! Clean your phone. That itself could probably stop you getting sick a lot, because it's one of the dirtiest things we have. More dirty than toilet seats. With all that, just general cleanliness around your house, that can break those reservoirs. Gone. That's another one. Smashed. Number three is your portal of exit. Now this is how the germs and pathogens actually leave the reservoir. Those little dirty mating grounds that they come from. This can be from such things as urine, poop, diarrhea, spit, all that wonderful stuff. Even blood. A few ways to which you can deal with these is personal protective equipment, or PPE for short. Surprisingly recently, we've been using one of these PPEs, medical masks, to stop the distance to which our droplets travel. That's a way which we can stop the portal of exit. Also, transmission, coming up next. See? I did it. I did the thing. That wasn't intentional. Boom! Another link broken. Look at that. PPE, protective equipment, sanitization. Awesome. Great. Sneeze into your shoulder as well, like I did. Number four. And this, my friend, is a very big one. This is the mode of transmission. This is how these guys get around. How do they do that? And how can we stop it? This is another very simple one. Hands. Sanitize. Wash your hands. That's probably one of the most useful tips to keep clean. Avoid touching your face. Don't touch your ears. Don't touch everything. Just like the other chain breaking tips is clean your area around you. Disinfect everything properly. This one can actually help with a lot of the different chains in our big chain of infection. It's crazy. It's mind-boggling. Number five is the portal of entry. This is the spots where they actually enter you and get you sick. This can be my eyes, your eyes, the nose, the mouth, the ears, other parts of the body, wounds as well. If you have a cut, cover it up, clean it, put a band-aid on. It doesn't make you a baby, it just means you don't want to get a goddamn infection. It's crazy. Infections can spread easily and cause you a lot of harm. Just like a lot of the other chain-breaking tips, washing your hands. It can't even get to your eyes or in your eyes if you washed your hands and got rid of the pathogens already. Bro, what? On to the next one. 6. This one is a susceptible host. Now this could be genetic, maybe physical or mental things which could, make them more likely to get sick. But I have some things which regardless can help you just a little bit in your fight against pathogens. Eat a lot of green vegetables. Broccoli and Brussels sprouts. My favorite when it comes to virus fighting. Get outside, just get some exercise for yourself. Work out, go for a little jog, dance to some music. Just get that body moving. Sleep, if you're a teenager, or you're an adult who works a long job, you might not get a lot of it. But I'm telling you, it is so important. It affects so many different parts of your body. So get some more if you can. Water. Drink lots of water. It's good. Your body needs it to get rid of all those toxins and nasty stuff laying inside you. Give yourself an inside shower. If you want to be a little extra, serve some green tea. We should all drink more. Drink more. Go drink green tea. Go try some. Another vitamin you very much want in your daily diet, whether that be with supplements or, food, is vitamin D. Vitamin D can give you more energy. It can help with your immune system. It can help balance insulin levels, boost your mood, and helps with skin growth repair and your metabolism. What a crazy vitamin. And the last one in our chain breaking tips, which is probably pretty obvious, is personal hygiene. What? Personal hygiene? What? Am I reading this right? God, that's crazy. Turns out by washing your hands, keeping your stuff clean, you can stop the spread of viruses and diseases and a whole bunch of other nasty stuff. Crazy. Well, friends, whoever you are, I'm so happy you decided to want to know more about chain of infections. Oh, God, I love them so much, and I love breaking them. So, we're at the end. Thank you guys so much for stopping by and learning a little bit of chain of infections with me. It was a wonderful journey we had. I really hope you learned something useful today. If you're gonna take anything from this video, just personal hygiene. Wash your hands, for the love of God. And clean your phone. We're dirty. We're nasty. Thanks again for watching. And if you did enjoy this, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video I decide to make. I have to go edit a project for men's class. Peace, guys.